back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be teaching you to solve the Google Lens not working problems. So guys, before moving on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you could just go and click on subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to just press the thumbs up button below this video. So guys, let's just not waste any more time and let's just move on to the video. And I'll try to keep this video as short as possible. So don't just skip any parts and watch this video until the end if you want to solve this problem completely and you did not want this problem to arise once again. And even if it arises, you can just try repeating these steps and to solve the problem. So there is just three important steps you need to do in order to solve the Google Lens app not working. So the number one, the most common issue which everyone faces, and the most common thing you could do to solve this issue is that you must navigate to let's just I'll once again from the first I'll show you what must be done. You must just if you are using an Android device, you must just go to Play Store and search for Lens, and then you will be redirected to Google Lens. And here you just need to update your app to the latest version. So if you have your update button instead of the open button, you just need to click on the update button. So this solves the issue for majority of the users. And if you are still facing issues as Google Lens not working, or if the app is just continuously crashing, what you must do is that you must minimize this application and you must go to your Google Lens over here, and you must long press this and you must click on this I button over here. This will redirect you to the Google Lens settings, and in here you just need to check for the app permissions and etc. Now the second step what you have to do is that you must click on this force stop over here. It may show a warning like this, but just don't think about anything, and you can just click on the OK. After successfully clicking on force stop, the next thing you have to do is that you must navigate to your storage and you must try clearing your caches. And if you're still facing any more issues, you can just clear your entire data. If you click on this clear this entire data, all of the application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all the files, settings, accounts, databases, and etc. So it's not going to be a problem. You can just clear your entire data. It's going to be an application like a freshly installed application. So it's not going to cause any more issues. So guys, I hope this resolved all the problems in your Google Lens not working things. And if you are still facing any more issues, you could just leave it in the comment section below, so I can make specific videos on that issues. So once again guys, thanks for watching this video until the end. It'd be great for me if you just click on subscribe button and the bell button near subscribe button. And like I told before, if you enjoy watching this video, you can just press the thumbs up button below this video. And once again, thanks for watching this video until then. Bye.